Hello everyone, I am Ajit Kumar Anandalole, Assistant Professor, Yashwantrao Chavan College of Science, Karad. I started lecture series on course Engineering Geology, which is useful for civil engineers as well as BSc 3rd Geology students. This is lecture number 3rd. Last two lecture I was discussed what is engineering geology, why it is important for civil engineers, then engineering properties of rock, or simply called as requirement of good building stones. Few examples of building stones I mentioned there, and now today I will discuss various soil groups of India, or different types of soil generally available in India. So let's start with lecture. Soil is one of the most important natural resources. The branch of science dealing with soil is pedology. Pedology is the branch in which study of soils takes place. Soil is formed by the weathering of rock under different types of climates. Some soils are deposited by the agents of denudation. Soil includes decayed material of plants and animals, organic matter. Weathering or denudation. Denudation is nothing but the combined effect of weathering and erosion. Weathering and erosion, the meaning in Marathi is same, that is in Marathi called it as zheez. But difference between weathering and erosion is weathering is nothing but in situ erosion. Rock is eroded but deposited at the same place of origin, and in erosion process rock is eroded and it is deposited somewhere else. Then that process is called as erosion. Weathering process and erosion process. Erosion process is the transportation is the main factor in the erosion process, and the combined effect of erosion and weathering is called as denudation. And denudation is the process which is useful for formation of soil. Simply, soil is nothing but the weathered product of rock. There are different soil groups of India, or the types of soils generally available in India is alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, lateritic soil, desert soil, mountainous soil. These are the few major groups which are available in India. Out of that, start with first alluvial soil. It is major soil group of India. The soil that have been spread out by streams along their banks on floodplain during repeated floods is known as alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is formed when river getting flood. मराठीत सांगायचं झालं तर रेनी सीजन मध्ये आपल्याला रिवर मध्ये फ्लड आलेला दिसतो, आणि फ्लड आल्यानंतर काय होतं तर पाणी जे आहे ते रिव्हरच्या मेन बँक मधून बाहेर येतं. बाहेर आल्यानंतर फक्त पाणीच येणार आहे का? नाही, पाण्यासोबत आपल्याला गाळ देखील बघायला भेटतो, आणि तो गाळ रिव्हरच्या मेन बँक पासून साईडला दोन्ही बाजूला तो डिपॉझिट झालेला दिसतो, आणि त्या गाळापासून जी सॉइल तयार होते, माती तयार होते, त्यालाच अल्युव्हियल सॉइल म्हणतात. गाळाची मृदा, alluvial soil. It extensively spread over vast areas in India. It is deposited approximately 7.7 million square kilometer. This type of soil is covered in उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, वेस्ट बेंगाल, ओडिशा, पंजाब, हरियाणा and Brahmaputra Valley of Assam, Narmada and Tapi valleys, coastal plains on both sides. Main crops are generally available in alluvial soil is wheat, paddy, sugarcane, cotton and jute. Alluvial soil. Then next point is black soil. It is also called as regur soil. It is best suited for cotton cultivation. Because of that, black soil is called as black cotton soil. This type of soil is seen about 5.46 lakh square kilometer. The area of black soil is called as Deccan Tract. दख्खनचं पठार म्हणतो आपण, ज्यावर आपण राहतोय सध्या. दख्खनचं पठार जे आहे ते बेसाल्ट रॉकनी बनलेलं आहे. बेसाल्ट हा इग्नियस टाईपचा रॉक आहे आणि बेसाल्ट रॉकचं इरोजन होऊन किंवा वेदरिंग होऊन जो प्रोडक्ट राहतो तो म्हणजे ब्लॅक सॉइल, म्हणजेच त्याला ब्लॅक कॉटन सॉइल सुद्धा म्हणतात. Therefore, the soil formed from the weathering of igneous rock, it contains more of clay particles. It is fertile and capable of retaining water. For civil engineers, this point keep in mind, capable of retaining water. Black cotton soil having capacity of retaining water. Please keep in mind. It is found in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, western areas of Andhra Pradesh and North Karnataka. It has more lime and magnesium carbonate. Highly suitable for dry farming. Cotton, jawar, wheat, onion, chili, tobacco, oilseeds, lemon and grapes are major crops growing in this soil. Next soil type is red soil. Red soil group. It is the largest area of peninsula or largest area of peninsular plateau covers red soil. The southern part of India or Indian subcontinent is called as peninsula, and that peninsular plateau is covered with red soil. Our largest area of peninsular plateau covers with red soil. It is found in about 5.18 lakh square kilometer. It can be seen from Kanyakumari and Jhansi. It spreads from Kutch to Rajmahal Hills. The major crops are ragi, tobacco and oilseeds. Areas having irrigation facility grow paddy, sugarcane, cotton, etc. Red soil. Then another type of red soil, that is lateritic soil. It is found in the areas receiving more than 200 centimeters of rainfall. The minerals are washed off, leaving behind ferric oxide and aluminium in the surface soil. Hence, it looks red in color. Mineral लॅटराइट सॉइल. लॅटराइट सॉइल बद्दल जर आपल्याला बोलायचं झालं ते जनरली कोकण रिजन मध्ये आपल्याला सापडते. त्याचबरोबर ते तयार होत असताना एक प्रोसेस होते, लिचिंग आउट प्रोसेस. लिचिंग आउट म्हणजेच लिच तुम्हाला माहित असेलच, जळू. रेनी सीजन मध्ये आपण जातो बघा वॉटरफॉलच्या ठिकाणी फिरायला. वॉटरफॉलच्या ठिकाणी फिरायला गेल्यानंतर आपल्याला पायाला कधी कधी जळू चिकटतात. जळू चिकटल्यानंतर जळू काय करतात, रक्त शोषण करून घेतात. पण ते ज्यावेळेस रक्त शोषण करून घेत असतात त्यावेळेस आपल्याला ते समजतं का? नाही, मुळीच नाही. आपल्याला कधी समजतं, ज्यावेळेस तो जळू मोठा होतो, जाड होतो आणि चुकून आपलं लक्ष त्याच्यावर पडतं. आणि ते लक्ष पडल्यानंतर आपण काय करतो, भीतो. जळू जोक सपाट, जळू ज्या पद्धतीनं आपल्या शरीराचं रक्त शोषून घेत असतो, रक्त शोषण करून घेत असताना आपल्याला समजत नाही, तशा प्रकारेच बेसाल्ट हा पॅरेंट रॉक आहे लॅटराटिक सॉइलसाठीचा. बेसाल्ट रॉकमधून हेवी रेनफॉल, जसं मेन्शन केलेलं आहे 200 सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल, हेवी रेनफॉल ज्या एरियामध्ये असतो, हिली रिजनमध्ये, त्या ठिकाणी त्या बेसाल्टमध्ये असलेले मिनरल्स असतील ते सगळे वॉशड आउट होतात आणि राहतं काय रेसिड्यूच्या रूपामध्ये, तर आयर्न ऑक्साईड आणि ॲल्युमिनियम, ह्या दोन गोष्टी तिथं शिल्लक राहतात. आणि आयर्न ऑक्साईडमुळं लॅटराटिक सॉइलचा रेड कलर येतो आणि ज्या ठिकाणी ॲल्युमिनियम रिच असते त्या ठिकाणी येलोइश व्हाईट कलर होतो और बफिश व्हाईट कलर अशा प्रकारे येत असतो. तर हे झालं लॅटराटिक सॉइलचं. लॅटराटिक सॉइल, the minerals dissolve in the water, percolate to deeper layer of the soil, and insoluble oxides of iron and aluminum are found in top layers. टॉप लेअर मध्ये आपल्याला ते फक्त बघायला भेटत असतं आयर्न ऑक्साईड आणि ॲल्युमिनियम. लॅटराइट सॉइल इज लेस फर्टाइल अँड लॅक ऑफ नायट्रोजन अँड मिनरल. नायट्रोजन अँड मिनरल आपल्याला कमीत कमी बघायला भेटतात. मिनरल्स आर वॉश्ड आउट, देअरफॉर मिनरल्स आर नियरली absent in the lateritic soil. In India, this type of soil is found in about 2.48 lakh square kilometers, extending over the Western Ghats, the Vindhyans, the Satpuras and Rajmahal Hills and Purvanchal region. It is suitable for the cultivation of coffee and tea and other plantation crops. Then another type of soil is desert soil. Name of that soil is tells itself. So name of the soil is tells itself its story. Desert. It is generally observed in desertic condition or desert region. It is formed in the region of less rainfall and high temperature. It is red and brown color. Water percolates easily without retentive and moisture get reduced in the soil. 1.4 lakh square kilometer of this soil is found in India. Jawar, saji and dates grows in this soil. This type of soil is found in northwest Rajasthan, adjoining areas of Punjab, Haryana, Kutch area of western Gujarat and western part of Aravalli Mountains, desert soil. Then last type of soil is mountainous soil. It contains plenty of decayed organic matter. This soil is found on the lower slope of mountain. As I earlier said, soil is the weathered product of rock. On the mountainous region, weathering of rock, a rate of weathering of rock is fast. That weathered material is suddenly deposited at the lower slope of mountain. Therefore, the soil is formed at the foothills of mountain or lower slope of mountains. That soil is called as mountainous soil. It is very rich in nitrogen and organic residues. It is suitable for growth of coffee, tea, spices and fruits. Foothills of Himalayas, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal and other mountains have this soil, mountainous soil. Today we discussed about various soil groups of India or types of soil generally available in India. In that, we learn 6 type of soils or 6 group of soils which are generally available in India. That soils are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, lateritic soil, desert soil and mountainous soil. If you have any doubts, please ask me in comment box. and thanks for watching. Keep in touch with me. Thank you very much.